Hello everyone, today I am here to introduce the features added to WBS Organizer version 2.4. The amazing feature introduced in this version is called Schedule Check. This feature, which mirrors the structure of Primavera P6, allows you to analyze schedules of any size within seconds. Let's explore this together by applying it in the add-in and comparing the results with Primavera P6. We select our file, and within 2 to 3 seconds, the analysis is complete. That's it. Here you can see details such as project ID, project name, data date, and information related to activities and relationships. Below that, you'll find check items and their descriptions. In the comments section of the descriptions, you can see additional details about what is included or excluded from the analysis. The target field can be customized by the user to the desired value. This only changes the color as it works through conditional formatting. The default target values are aligned with those in Primavera P6. In the Found section, if you want to navigate to specific details with inconsistencies, you can click on the respective item or browse through the sheets. Now let me show you all the sheets. To check if the results are the same, let's import the same project into Primavera P6 and compare the results. Now that the import process is complete, let's go to the Check Schedule section in Primavera P6 and run the analysis. Let's open the P6 output on the right side and bring the add-in results to the left side. Amazing! You can see the results. The add-in's results are identical to those of Primavera P6. If you don't have access to Primavera P6 and need to perform this analysis quickly, you can check the instructions on our website and get this add-in within minutes. Thank you for taking the time to watch.